Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. If this is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you and I'm going to be teaching you step by step how you can get rid of your white bear. If you are the type of a man that your bear is always white, you don't know what to do, you are looking for a natural home remedy to get rid of the white bear permanently, you are in the right channel today. Don't worry guys, your white bear is going to turn black from gray to black. Okay, yeah, home remedy does that. I'm going to be sharing with you step by step. I'm going to leave this aside to keep soaking. You have to soak this up to 10 minutes before you can use guys. As you can see on my thumbnails, we need lime or lemon with red onions guys. We're going to be using lime and red onions, okay guys. So I'm going to be showing you how you are going to be using these two remedy together, or if you decide you can use lemon as well, but I recommend lime. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be showing you, I've already removed this thing, and I'm going to be using half. You can also as well using one, and we're going to be using our butter. We only need the water and the paste. Going to do it together guys. Mind your eyes, your man, if you're not careful, all your eyes will be watery. So as I'm talking to you now, my eyes are starting watering. So guys, we need more. So what I used to do guys, so that's enough because we're going to see a heart. Oh my gosh. So that is what we need, and we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons. Oh, my eyes is watering, God. Now 2 tablespoons of lime. So this should serve you at least 1 week. Okay guys, so we're going to be mixing it thoroughly. You mix it up to 1 or 2 seconds so they all combine. The next step guys, you need a cotton pad or cotton wool, something that you know that it could be able to penetrate to your beer. So this is how you are going to be using it guys. You get your beer, you continue rubbing this, the onions and the lime juice, you continue to rubbing it on your beer. You know me, you have to, you can see my thumbnails, the long beer, so that beer from white to black consistency is the key. All right, so you leave it for 1 hour. It depends. If you are very busy, maybe 30 minutes. Please leave it at least 1 hour before rinsing it. So let this stay there for 1 hour or 30 minutes. 1 hour or 30 minutes, and continue doing it every day. If you are really desperate, you really have to do it every blessed day. All right, so guys, I'm going to be leaving the link below, and when you are rinsing it, this is onions oil, the one I've already made, so there's no need of me to show you how to do onions oil. I have it on my previous page. If you go to my page, you're gonna see how you can make your own onions oil at home. So I'm going to be leaving the link below. Okay, so you can as well use onion oil if you are desperate, you are looking to dark your beer from white, from gray to dark. Always apply onions oil. All right, consistency is the key. So you continue every blessed day after using your lime and after using onions and lime. When you dry it, when you wash this, you get rid of this. The next step, guys, you want to apply your onions oil, okay? And as well, it grows hair. It's gonna grow your beard because it's onions oil. It grows beard very, very easily. And this contain phenolic and onions rich. This will grow your beard quickly as well, but it's going to darker, make your beard dark at times going on, as time goes on. Okay, check my page, you're gonna see how you can make your onions oil. Rub it to your beard day and night. Leave this one at 12 for 1 minute, or leave this for 10 minutes and rinse it. Consistency, guys, is the key. Okay, guys, so your beard is from this white color to this color. Okay, you can see the oil himself is turning black. So if you apply this regularly to your beard, it's going to be black, very dark. It's gonna be dark, 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 dark. So the next step here, I'm going to be showing you what I use here. This is guava leaf. Okay, when you wake up in the morning, okay, you want to use your guava water to wash your beard. All right, I'm going to be putting the link below. All right, so you need to get a guava. You really have to get this, so you have to soak it. I've been soaking this now more than 5 hours. So because I want to use it for my hair as well, it's going to dark your hair. Regularly, consistency is the key. Dry guava leaf will turn your gray hair to dark. I'm using this later. This is how it comes. You order it on eBay or Amazon. Guava leaf. It works perfectly, guys. Okay, so if you are going to be using guava leaf, you have to leave it, you soak it overnight. Use this to be washing your hair, or your beard is gonna turn black. So you have a lot of option. Okay, guys, maybe you used guava water twice in a week, and you use this maybe 3 times in a week. You have a lot of option, guys, and you use this at least every day. All right, this will speed it up, and your gray hair or your gray beard is gonna turn black. Okay, so guys, I want to know what you guys should think. Do you really enjoy this video? If you really need any help, if you really need any help, please let me know. Leave the comment below, guys. I will get back to you guys. Don't forget, you have a lot of option. Is it that you use guava leaf, or you use your onions water and the onions water? Is it that you use your onions water and lemon or lime, or go to Bekkyshow Beauty and get your onions oil? Apply every day. Consistency is the key, guys. Guava water will turn your gray hair to black. It works perfectly, which I'm going to be using. I'm soaking this for myself. I'm using it to rinse my hair, and I'm gonna cover it with a plastic or clean film for 2-3 hours. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna apply this to my hair. It's gonna make my hair turn from gray to black. Give it a go, guys, and let me know what you guys should think. If this work for you, share this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Stay blessed, and bye for now.